Hey guys, what's going on? We haven't heard in a while, but right now, I'm thinking about getting rid of my Explorer, that is Explorer 1, which is 36 mil, and getting my favorite Datejust. The thing is, I like my Explorer, but I like the Datejust more, always did. So it's a bit of a dilemma. The only way I can do it is to get rid of my Explorer, and I identified. I like to have one in, one out. Ideally, would be to keep both, just buy both. That's the best advice you get on the internet right now. So, in order to get one, I need to get someone in and out. So I identified on all my collection the Explorer 1 as the most suitable. It's really hard for me because that could be easily my one and done watch. It's a best Rolex because no one recognizes it as a Rolex. No one sees it, and yet I like Datejust. Datejust was my first Rolex, and ever since I foolishly sold my vintage white dial Roman numerals engine turned bezel Datejust 16030. I kind of missed it a lot, and I wanted to purchase it back, but the prices went up, and it was really hard for me to acquire it for at least similar amount of money. The prices just went wild. So in the meantime, I got my Type 21, and when I got the Type 21, that cemented it. So I couldn't really justify getting rid of my Type 21 for Datejust. And right now I could actually trade in 2021, and I could find some arguments why. Because Explorer 1 is more comfortable on the wrist, wears nicer. 21 is a bit chunkier. It's a thick. It's not as comfortable. However, I just don't feel like it because I love Breguet. Breguet is one of my favorites, and I think one of the most underrated brands out there. And not just in terms of just people overlook it, so I like that. Just like the Explorer 1, and I want the Datejust. The Datejust in question is Azzurro blue Roman numerals. A fun fact: only comes in Roman numerals. That specific shade of blue. Is it my favorite blue? No, but I kind of like it. And there's one available, and I feel that in order to get my Azzurro blue Datejust, which is 41, I need to trade in my Explorer 1, which is 36. It's a bit older reference. It's double one. It's 1-1, but still I like it. It's very practical. So I think I'm gonna get with the deal, and I'm gonna get the Datejust, and I'm gonna promise myself one day I will get back the Explorer 1. But ideally it would be 39 mils because my wrist is not that small, and ultimately wearing the 36 mil Explorer is very comfortable on the wrist, but somehow I feel it's a little bit smaller. Now that's what the practical side of things. The heart tells me I like the bit bigger. I like the Azzurro blue. It's more shinier. It gives you more of a luxury vibe. when you get that watch on your wrist. And the other day I had lunch with a friend, and he had one on, and I loved it. And it was dark outside because Azura blue is on the outside of the sunshine. It's like a pale blue color, and in the indoors environment where we were in the restaurant, it was quite dark, and with artificial lights, and it was stunning. It was really stunning. So I'm thinking, should I go? Should I not go? I'm not really sure. Other news, I haven't been really making videos a lot lately. I moved, got a new job this summer, and I decided I'm not gonna go into Germany and Austria and Slovenia. I'm gonna return home, spend more time with my kid, spend some quality time with my kid, because I decided that now it's the time that my kid needs me the most. When he's gets up to the 15, then he will no longer listen to his old dad, because he'll have his peers and everyone will be more important. So yeah, I feel it's the time to spend more time with my family, with my kids. So that's why I decided. I got a huge pay cut, like not normal. If I was still working in Germany, I wouldn't be discussing this. I would just go and buy it. But I feel it's the right decision for me, and I feel it's worth it. So I decided to come back, spend some more time with my kids, and I think it will be good. And I'm not really sure. I would like to hear your input. I like the Explorer one. It's the other day I got that M65 field jacket, which I wanted for years, and I just couldn't. There are some things you just want, and you push it away and you forgot about it. And I saw it on someone the other day, and I decided I'm gonna get it. And I got it and bought the brand new one, the branded one, and it's made in Germany. I actually wanted Alpha, but I felt it was too expensive. Maybe one day. I want to see. I got the more affordable version, but it's still good. It's the M65 field jacket, and I love it. It just works for me. I love the olive color and everything. And I wore my Explorer. It's just perfect. That green olive field jacket and the Explorer, they just work. I had the black jeans and the rugged boots, and oh boy, I love the look. So it's really hard for me to make a decision, but I'm leaning towards the Datejust, because I want to get it while it's out there, and maybe one day down the road, maybe I will get the Explorer again. I have the Explorer 2, but Explorer 1 is really cool, and I love it. It's a antidote for Rolex. However, Datejust was always one of my favorite references, and yeah. So I haven't really yet decided, so I would appreciate your input, guys. Give me some input, some of your thoughts, so it will maybe, hopefully, turn me the other way, and it's gonna push me to the other side. So hopefully next video I make, I will give you what I decided and what I did. So thank you guys for watching, and see you.